How to add a form to your Canva website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to add a form that you can collect some answers from within your Canva website. So basically, we're going to be using Google Forms because it is supported. Now, I'm not sure about other platforms that are supported. You can test things out yourself. It should be the same method, but it may or may not work with other platforms. You may need to test things out for yourself. But I'm just going to show you how to do it with Google Forms, and it is free for you to use as well, so that's a plus. So just go ahead and open up your site in Canva, and I'm just going to click on Edit Design here. I'm just going to create a new page for it, but you can just use it in any page that you would like. So let's say I just want to embed the form in here and have it visible where people can actually fill in the form. Let's just go ahead and open up Google Forms real quick. You can just go ahead and find it within your Google Chrome here. And if I can just scroll down and find forms, you can just feel free to create a blank form, fill in whatever questions that you want and so on. And once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and open it up. And what you need basically is you need the link that you would share with other people so that they would fill in the form. So you would want to click on the send on the top right option, and then we want the link. So this one right here, and you can shorten it if you want, but I'm just going to keep it as it is because it's not really going to make a difference. And just go ahead and copy this link. So just click on copy down below, and it should say copy to clipboard, and we can just go ahead and exit out of here. So now that we're back in the Canva website here, basically what we need to do is just go to the apps section on the left panel, and then you will find the embed app. If you don't find it, just go ahead and search for it. So just go ahead and search for embed, and then you should find this right here, which is the embed app. You just go ahead and click on it, and then we can just go ahead and paste the link of the form right down here. So just go ahead and paste the link and click on add to design. Now, obviously you would want to customize how the form looks like from within Google Forms itself, or whatever type of form platform that you want to use and embed here. Because you cannot really adjust how it looks like from here. So you would want to just go ahead and adjust everything from the background of it, the text size, and everything in between when it comes to design. Basically, just go ahead and edit all of those things from within the Google Forms or whatever platform. And then you just go ahead and add the link in here and just add to design. And you can just go ahead and see that this form is now embedded to our Canva website. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.